what is it that after you take away the whole, some still remains? Unfortunately, this is spelled out because it's not H-O-L-E, like I was thinking maybe a donut hole, because you could take away the donut hole and the donut would still remain. But, you know, I mean, why not? If she had just asked me this question and I hadn't seen it written out, that's what I would say. I would say donut hole. And by the way, my grandmother used to make the best donuts. And it was one of those things where my mom was always frustrated because she loved her mother's donuts. But her mother was one of those cooks who would just, you know, you take a handful of this and you take a handful of that. And she was always frustrated with this donut recipe because the instructions literally were, you work it until it feels right. And and even though she made them with her mother, she's like, I could never recreate them after she had passed away because I just could never get to that point where they felt right, and they just never were quite the same. So I guess there's a problem when you reach an ideal like that, and it's impossible to recreate because then, you know, the recipe is gone forever because no one knows how to recreate it just so that it feels right. But that's my answer. It's a donut hole.
Wholesome.
Wholesome? Oh, of course. Great.